Hi guys, Tara Ryan here with Fairway Mortgage. Today's tip is understanding speed. Why is it that some lenders can move more quickly than others? I get this question a lot. Sometimes I get it from listing agents that say, really, how can you do that? Sometimes I'll get it from home buyers where another lender has said it's impossible to move that fast. And they want to know, well, why are you different? Why do I want you to understand this? Because it's just helpful to understand the process so that when you're out there talking to different lenders, you'll have some concept of how their systems might be different and how that might be impacting your timeline. For example, there are some lenders, I can think of one large online lender that advertises to military folks. Their policy is that they must have every single thing in the file in order to put a file in front of underwriting. And it's not unique to that one company. There are a number of mortgage companies that believe this is the best way, that it's more efficient to only put the file in front of an underwriter, hopefully just that one time. So they put up a wall and say, no, you can't submit it until we have title, insurance, appraisal, every single borrower document, and every single signed disclosure. It is a very high hurdle. You can imagine in some cases, you're many days into the process before you have all of those items, especially if that same lender won't order the appraisal until after due diligence, or maybe even longer than that, or attorneys who won't order the title until after due diligence, or maybe even after the appraisal has come in. These things can stack up, and you can be 21, 25 days in before these companies will even put the file in line for an underwriter. My philosophy and my branch is different, and Fairway supports me in this. As long as we have enough information in the file to get a valid approval. What does that mean? I've got to know about the borrower's credit. We've got to pull credit and provide documentation for any past credit issues, bankruptcy, foreclosure, etc. Their capacity to repay the loan, that's their job stability, their income, what is their pay. My alarm's gone off. And then lastly, their cash. Where's the money coming for the down payment? It doesn't have to be in their account right now, but I got to know where it's coming from. But if I can answer those three questions and provide enough documentation to the underwriter, we can submit right then and get our initial underwriting approval. Then the remaining conditions are all administrative. Yes, we need title. Yes, we need the homeowner's insurance. Yes, we might need one more signature on one more page or a contract amendment updating the address. But we don't need to hold up the file to keep it from getting started until we get those little nitpicky items. I hope that helps you understand how some companies can move at different speeds. A lot of it is just kind of their overall view of the process. And I have built our entire team's process on providing the absolute best outcome for our clients. That means a loan approval that we can stand behind, that we know is good, while at the same time moving as quickly as possible to move these files through the system. Call me with any questions, and if you know anybody who needs to meet a short contingency or a close quick, you know who to call.